Chapter 1: Tools and Materials. Usage of strap wrench. The strap wrench is composed of wrench and tape, and it's mainly used for pipe fixing and tightening in thread pipe connection. Before use, put face A of both wrench and tape down. Then screw bolts to wrench to assemble them. If tape length is 1.2 meter and wrench length is 0.6 meter, and they can be used for connection of DM40 to DM250 pipe produced by our company. In pipe connection with strap wrench, shall keep its torque uniformly, and shall not increase stress suddenly to avoid pipe wall damages caused by point load. Please pay much attention to pipe of lower pressure since its pipe wall is much thinner. We need to use 2 strap wrenches in pipe connection, one for fixing pipes and the other one for tightening pipes. In pipe installation, just cross tape over pipes, and then fasten tape and use it. Usage of hand shaver. The hand shaver is mainly used for taper grinding of thread pipe sized at DM40 to DM250. Put face A of blade down and install it on shaver before using. Please make sure face A of blade should be placed down and face B should be placed up to avoid improper installation, impacting taper grinding quality or causing pipe damages. The angle screw is used to adjust angle between blade and pipe to make sure the angle grind suitable to inner conical surface of filled thread. After initial adjustment with angle screw, blade should be tightened again. The short expansion shell bolt should be used together with expansion pad of DM40 or DM50, and long expansion shell bolt should be used together with expansion pad of DM65 to DM250. Adjust the bolt and make blade close to expansion pad before taper grinding, and shall keep the distance between blade and expansion pad larger than pipe wall thickness. The expansion pad should be tensioned moderately by tension bolt. When grinding taper, put expansion pad into pipe and the end of expansion pad should be aligned with pipe end. Then tension the expansion pad furthermore and adjust the bolt to make blade close to pipe surface. Adjust angle screw again to press blade slightly into pipe surface. Adjust the direction switch of wrench, and then we can start grind taper. Usage of single-head pulling rings. The single-ended pulling ring is used for pipe fastening in adhesive and key-lock pipe connection. The working principle of pulling ring is to fasten object by the one-way ratchet gear. When using pulling ring, open the pulling ring matched with pipe. Thread 2 pulling heads through pulling tape. Cross tape over pipe. Pad pipe with rubber pad. Open ratchet switch. Put tape through the hole, and the 2 pulling heads shall be distributed symmetrically on both sides of middle of pipe. Then close ratchet switch and tension the tape. To take off pulling rings, open the ratchet switch and the tape will be loosened. The preparation of thread sealant. The GRE pipe thread sealant is specially used for sealing in thread pipe connection, and is composed of component A of matrix resin and component B of curing agent with 1 year shelf life. Before using, component A and B should be fully mixed well. The GRE pipe thread sealant provided by our company only can be applied for GRE pipe produced by our company. Please consult the field installation engineer for applying it to other pipe connection. The preparation of adhesive. Adhesive specialized for GRE pipe is composed of component A of matrix resin and component B of curing agent with 1 year shelf life. It's mainly used for bonding of field thread and adhesive pipe connection. Fully and well mix component A and B before using. Please consult the field installation engineer for applying it to other pipe connection. Chapter 2. Pipe connection. Thread pipe connection. The method is mainly used for thread pipe and fittings connection sized at DN40 to DN250. Support pipes and make them aligned. Then take off thread protectors. Check thread quality and clean thread. Smear the prepared thread sealant on both inner surface of female thread and outer surface of male thread. When smearing, face thread end and smear it with slight power in clockwise. When hand-tied pipe for connection, keep its speed uniform to avoid cross-threading caused by improper force. When hand-tied to 2/3 of thread or thread end, change to use wrench to tighten it. The accepted tighten standard is 0 to ±1 thread buckle from male thread end to the larger end of female thread after tightening. Bell and spigot adhesive pipe connection. The method is mainly used in pipe and pipe fittings of bell and spigot adhesive connection. Connect pipes and align them. Pad pipe with rubber pad. Then tighten the single head pulling rings respectively on pipe body by pulling the tape hardly. The pulling head on both ends of pulling rings shall be exactly located in the middle position of pipe, and shall not shift up or down obviously to avoid pipe drifting caused by uneven forces. Clean up inner surface of bell and outer surface of spigot with cleaning agent such as acetone, and wait until they are clean and dry. Then smear the adhesive specially prepared for GRE pipe uniformly on inner surface of bell and outer surface of spigot. Please make sure all surface of socket and spigot should be fully and evenly covered by adhesive. Please make sure all surface of socket and spigot should be fully and evenly covered by adhesive, and adhesive thickness should be moderate. Clean off the brush hair and other foreign matters that stick on surface of bell and spigot. Connection shall be proceeded immediately upon cleaning finished. During connecting, pad pipe with wooden pad and a pull-lever hoist of both sides together at the same time until pipes are fully tightened. The pulling speed shall be properly controlled in the connection process to avoid pipe drifting or impacting bonding quality. Put electric heating belt matched with size of pipe on bonding area and set the heating temperature to start curing. The adhesive curing situation should be checked frequently in curing process to avoid the temperature of electric heating belt is too high to cause pipe damages. After adhesive is fully cured, turn off the power and take off the electric heating belt and take off this connection device after nature cooling. If electric heating belt cannot meet curing requirements, heating up enclosed space can be adopted. Key lock pipe connection. The method is mainly used in pipe and fittings connection of key lock joint. Make the nylon rod hole upward and align pipes. Clean up sand and other foreign matters on both inner and outer surfaces of pipe joint ends to avoid affecting sealing of connection. Please pay special attention to clean up all foreign matters in O-ring groove and nylon rod hole in cleaning process. Pad pipe with protective pad and tighten the single-headed pulling ring on pipe respectively. The pulling head on both ends of pulling rings shall be exactly located in the middle position of pipe, and shall not shift up or down obviously to affect aligning of O-ring, and shall not shift up or down obviously to affect aligning of O-ring groove and nylon rod hole. Install O-ring matched with the size of pipe in the groove. Adjust O-ring to prevent it from distorting in the groove and affecting sealing and connection of pipe, and then evenly dab the O-ring with lubricating agent after the adjustment. Dab the O-ring groove with lubricating grease so that nylon rod can be pushed into easily. The material of lubricating agent and lubricating grease should be selected according to delivered media as long as it doesn't damage pipe or pollute the delivered media. Measure the distance between O-ring groove and joint edge in order to align nylon rod hole and O-ring groove. In connection process, padded with wooden pad. Then pull lever hoist on both sides together at the same time. When nylon rod hole is close to the O-ring groove, electric torch can be used to watch as pulling. After nylon rod hole is aligned with the O-ring groove, thread nylon rod into the hole one by one. Before threading, OD of the nylon rod hole shall be measured to ensure nylon rod can surround the groove in a lap. Chapter 3. Binding of field thread. Binding of field thread is a key procedure for GRE pipe maintenance. When binding, mark at proper area, then cut it. The cut should be flat. Clean up burrs on cutting edge after cutting. The pipe end should be ground into a taper that matches inner surface of field thread by hand shaver. Cover field thread on taper repeatedly in grinding process, and try while grinding until the taper is qualified. The qualified taper is that inner surface of field thread fit taper surface of pipe end, but not too tight. And end face of pipe should keep 6 mm shorter than end face of field thread, or keep them aligned. Remove all the ornaments and foreign matters on field thread and conical surface of pipe end with brush thoroughly after taper grinding finished. Then cleaning up inner surface of field thread and taper surface of pipe with acetone or other cleaning agents. Daub the prepared adhesive on taper surface of pipe and inner surface of field thread by brush. In the daubing process, firstly take a little of adhesive with brush and daub the whole binding surface hard and quickly for several times in order to let adhesive seep into pipe surface easily. Then the binding surface should be daubed with adhesive evenly and the thickness should be about 0.5 mm. Push the field thread forward while rotating it in a clockwise direction. Pat it with wooden pad and try to further tighten the field thread with rubber hammer. In curing process with electric heating tape, the curing status of adhesive should be checked frequently to avoid electric heating tape overheated causing field thread damages. And the field thread should not under pressure before adhesive is completely cured. Turn off the power and stop heating after adhesive is cured. The next step of maintenance can be started only after field thread cools down.